Oh no! I spilt my Lego everywhere. It's all over my carpet and I don't know if I've lost any pieces. Now I do know that this Lego set has come with 100 pieces. I need to check to see if all 100 pieces are here on the carpet in front of me. How do you think I should count up my Lego pieces? Pause the video and think, how should I count my Lego pieces to make sure that I haven't lost any? So, I can try counting my Lego pieces. I can try this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, I'm already getting bored. Is there another way that I can count my Lego pieces? I could try counting them in twos, because I know that we know how to do that. We've been practicing our counting in twos. We can try. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I still think this is too long. Do you think there's another way that we can count my Lego pieces? How about counting in tens? Let's try counting in tens. So I think that might be a bit quicker. So I'm going to get a group of 10. Now I'm going to use my counting in twos knowledge to help me make a 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here's a group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here's another group of 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oops, I think I miscounted. I'm going to try again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so I've got all of these groups of 10. Now let's try counting these groups of 10. I'm going to put a tens dean right next to every group of 10 just to remind us that we're counting in tens. So this is a group of 10, so 10, and then we're going to add another 10, 20. What comes after 20 when we're counting in tens? Let's just remind ourselves. We know that that's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What comes after 90? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Phew! I've got all 100 pieces of my Lego. I'm also going to label my piles of Lego just to double check. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I've got 100 pieces of Lego. Thank goodness. For this part of the lesson, you need some paper, a pen, a container of water. It's better if it's warm, with a tea bag inside. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make a grid on your piece of paper that has 10 sections. So I folded my piece of paper in half, and then I drew a line down the middle, and then I used a ruler and drew lines this way so that I had 5 rectangles going across this side and 5 going across this side. So pause the video and make your grid now. And once you've done that, then you can press play again. So then you're going to flip your piece of paper over this way. You're going to make it portrait, because inside each rectangle, we are going to write the counting in tens numbers. We are going to call these numbers the T numbers, because the end of each number ends in a T sound, except for 10. 10 doesn't have a T sound. So I'm going to write the number 1, and I'm not going to write the 0 for the number 10. I'm going to use my tea bag. I'm going to try and squeeze it so I can make the tea as dark as possible. Then squeeze it out, and you don't want it to be too wet because then your paper will just rip. Then you're going to use your tea bag like a paintbrush, and you're going to paint the number 0. Now, if it's really light, like mine, like that, you might need to wait until your tea is a little bit stronger. This water is a bit cold, which means it's not making really dark tea. You might have to get hot water to make your tea darker. Okay, so right now I've got the number 10. Then on this rectangle, I'm going to write a 2, and I'm going to use my tea bag for the number 0 to make 20. There, that's looking a little bit better. I'm going to try not to move it so the tea doesn't go everywhere. That's not good. That's a bit better. Hands are wet. Now, in this one, I'm going to write a 3. And then I'm going to use my tea bag to do the 0, because this number is 30. 30. Whenever you see the T, you need to remember to say T. 4. It might help maybe if I don't squeeze it out too much. We want it to be a little bit drippy. I think that's why that one worked quite well, because it was quite drippy. There we go, that's better. Yeah, don't make it too drippy. You want to, yeah. Just experimenting here, Lions. I'm not sure what's the best way to do it, but this one seems to be the best one. Next number, 50. So write the number 5. And T. And make it a bit drippy. There we go, that's the best one. Next one, 6T. Now Next one, 70. Eighty. $90. Oops, Miss Young. You probably spotted that before I did. Last one, 100. It's about to make the same mistake again. 100. Now 100 isn't a T number, but we're going to add in the T just to remind ourselves that 100 has zeros on the end. I'm going to try this one again to see if it works. There, it's a bit better. And try that one again. Yeah, it seems like the trick is to make a point with your tea bag and kind of have it drip out. Okay, so let's practice reading our T numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Don't move your sheet when you have finished, because then the tea is going to go everywhere. You need to keep it somewhere safe to dry. And then what I think would be really good, if you cut out each rectangle and you can turn them into cards and you can practice reading each number. Have fun, Lions. Bye.